Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn long videos into text and learn faster with AI. Okay, let's get started. Do you have long videos like podcasts or webinars but no time to watch everything? No worries guys. In this video, I'll show you a simple Chrome extension that turns videos into transcripts so you can learn faster using AI. Okay, the first step that you're going to do is installing this extension on your Google Chrome, Transcript. And you can search this extension on the Google Chrome, or you can open this link. I'll put the link on the YouTube description, okay? And after you open this link, you can add this Chrome extension to your Google Chrome. Just click on Add to Chrome, okay? And add extension like this. Alright, and now the extension is ready, guys. And you can open the video that you want to turn into text. I'm just going to use my video, and then you're going to go to the Chrome extension right here, and you can choose the Transcript, and you can select the auto transcript or CC transcript. Okay, and I'm going to select auto transcript. Okay, and this is the transcript of the YouTube video, this one, and you can copy the transcript or you can download the TXT file. And you're going to open AI such as ChatGPT to summarize the transcript. Okay, you can ask the AI to summarize it like this, for example. Oops, sorry, I got typo. And you're going to send the prompt and also the transcript, and it will be so helpful if you want to turn a very long video into text. Okay, and this is the summary. And yeah, it will be so helpful if you have podcasts that you want to listen but you have no time to listen. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn long videos into text using the Transcript extension. And I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.